चलो प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे न्यू टर्म्स ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ए सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज मोलैलिटी. हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन मोलैलिटी ऑफ ए सॉल्यूशन? So molality of a solution can be defined as the number of mole of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. Molality generally, some here it can be denoted by symbol small m, or sometimes we are taking a molar mass of substance as a small m. So molality of solution, number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. 1 kg of solvent, not solution. So molality is equal to number of mole of solvent n is the number of mole of solute, moles of solute. And suppose capital W is the amount of solvent in kg, amount of solvent. So molality of solution, it is equal to number. So small m can be n upon capital W. Here we can write n is small w molar mass into capital W into 1000. If capital W means amount of a solvent, that is water, in case of aqueous solution, if it is in gram. If it is in kg, then this is the formula. If it is in gram, then amount of solvent is in gram, then molality is equal to amount of solute in gram, molar mass of solute, we can take here mm as the molar mass, and capital W into 1000. What will be the unit? Unit of molality, mole per kg. Or when 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solute, it is 1 mole and it is 1 kg. When n is equal to 1 mole and this is 1 kg, then we can say molality is equal to n upon this is equal to 1 upon 1, that is 1. So it is known as 1 molar solution. A solution whose molality is 1. 1 means 1 gram solute is dissolved in 1 kg solvent. Then solution is known to be 1 molar. Is that clear? So we can take here one numerical. Now here we will take one numerical. If 10 gram glucose is dissolved in 100 gram of solution of water, aqueous solution you can take, find the molality of the solution. Find molality of the solution. Then what is W? Small w is 10 gram and capital W is what? Capital W is the amount of solvent. It is amount of solvent, not amount of solution. The amount of solution is given 100 gram. So what will be amount of solvent? That will be 100 minus 10, that is 90 gram. Amount of solvent will be 90 gram, remember. So molality is equal to a small w upon a small m, small mass, Enter capital W into 1000. So small w is 10 gram. Molar mass of glucose is 180 gram per mole. W is 90 gram into 1000. So you can simplify this value from here. It is 100 divided by 162. That means it is approximately 0.6 2 mole per kg. So molality of this solution we can find out. Remember, sometimes you may be given amount of solvent. Suppose 10 gram glucose dissolved in 100 gram of solvent. Then we take here, in place of 90 we will take 100. Remember, in this case amount of solvent is given, amount of solute is given, mass is given. So one thing here, what is the effect of temperature on molarity, molality? What is the effect of temperature on molality and molarity? Now here, very important question generally asked, what is the effect of temperature on molality and molarity? Molality and molarity. So you know, molarity M is equal to N upon V, and molality is equal to N upon this. This is number of mole and this is volume liter. And you know, temperature is directly proportional to volume, or volume is directly proportional to temperature as per Charles law. You know, volume is directly proportional to temperature. So when temperature will increase, volume will increase. Temperature increase, volume increase. Volume will increase, then molarity will decrease, because number of mole, that is amount, that is number, that will not change by increasing temperature. Mass will not change, so N will not change, but volume slightly may increase, so molarity will decrease. But here it is mass, and mass is independent of temperature. Remember, mass of any substance is independent of temperature. There will be no change by increasing or by decreasing the temperature. So what happen here? There will be no change. So there will be no change on molality of solution when temperature change. So molality is independent of temperature and molality will decrease. Molarity will decrease as temperature increase. Why? Because in molarity, you will write this formula. We know that molarity of solution is equal to N upon as temperature change, volume change, and that's why it will decrease. And second, molality does not change. Very important question. Very important question. Now another very important question we can take here, students. Find molarity and molality of 10% by volume. Aqueous solution of glucose, and density of solution is given. So you require here number of mole of solute. How will find out number of mole of solute? So, and this one, and amount of solvent is how much given, and one more thing, molar mass of glucose is 180. Molar mass of glucose is 180. C6H12O6, C6H12O6, carbon is 6 into 12 plus hydrogen 1 into 22 plus 6 into oxygen 16, so it is 72, 22 plus 12 into 1 or plus 96. So 96 plus 12, 108 and plus 72, it is 180 gram per mole. This is the molar mass of glucose. Simply we can find out. And to calculate molarity and molarity, we require number of mole, volume of solution, amount of solvent in kg and molar mass. And what is the meaning? 10% by volume, 10% solution. Meaning, what is the meaning of this solution? That means 10 gram glucose is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Means solution का volume कितना हुआ? How much volume? 100 ml. 100 ml or cc, cubic centimeter. Remember, 1 ml is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. And 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Remember, 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube and 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, that means 1000 centimeter cube. So we can take number of mole. How will calculate number of mole? What is the formula of molarity? Molarity is equal to N upon V, and N is equal to amount of solute upon molar mass. Amount of solute is 10 gram, molar mass 180. So this is the number of mole, and volume is 100 ml. So molarity is equal to N, 10 upon 180 divided by 100. Now it is in ml, so you will multiply here by 1000. So this is number of mole, this is volume. V means W, small w by molar mass, V into 1000. So simply we can simplify it, that is 10 upon 80, that is 0 point. एक पॉइंट लगाएंगे, यहाँ 0 ले लेंगे. सो 18 को 100 में टेबल, 18 5 जा 90, फिर अगेन 10, 18 5 जा 90. So this is the molarity, 0.55 mole per liter. This is the molarity of the solution. Again, number of mole we require, volume of solution we require. For the molarity, molar mass of solute is given glucose, it is 180 gram per mole. So formula of molarity, number of mole, we have a volume in liter. So number of mole, amount of solute by molar mass, amount of solute 10 gram, this is gram per mole. So number of mole 10 by 180. Volume in 100 ml, when it is given in ml or cc, then we can multiply here, because we can change it into liter. So 100 by 1000. So by putting this value 10 upon 180 V multiply 1000, then 10 upon 18. So this is molarity. Now we will calculate molality. Now to calculate molality, student, we require in the formula molarity amount, number of mole of solute. We know already number of mole of solute is the amount of solute in gram, 10 gram, and molar mass of solute, that is glucose 180. Now we require capital W, means amount of solvent. So first of all, you know that mass of solution is equal to density into mass is equal to density into volume. Density is given for solution, volume given for solution. So we will find out mass of solution. So mass of solution is 120. Mass of solution is 120. Mass is equal to density into volume. Density given 1.2 gram per centimeter cube or per ml. Okay. So it is 120 gram. So mass of solvent, capital W is equal to mass of solution minus mass of solute. That is 120 minus 10, that is 110 gram. Mass of solvent, mass of solution, amount of solution minus amount of solute. So what is the amount of solution? 120 gram. What is the mass of solute? 10 gram. 10 gram means 10% means 10 gram dissolved in 100 ml. So 110 gram is the amount of solvent. Now put the value in the formula. What is the formula of molality? Small m is equal to n upon capital W. N is 10 by 180 है ना, divided by volume. Volume is mass of solvent 110. Now convert it into kg. Okay, and we can simplify it. 10 by 180 into 1000 by 110. You know, when this symbol of division is converted into multiplication, then this quantity will get reversed. So 10 upon 180 into 1000 upon 110. So here we can simplify it. Molality is equal to 10 upon 180 into 1000 divided by 110. So it is 100 divided by 118 into 11. This is 100 by 198. Approximately 200. So that is 100 by 200, that is 0.5. So when it is exact 200, student, you have to be very quick in simplification, in simplifying the values, simplify the formula questions. So suppose it is 200, then 100 upon 200 means 1 by 2, then 0.5. So it is approximately 0.51. So 0.51, 0.52 like that. So molality is 0.55 and molarity is 0.51 and molarity is 0.55. So which is greater? For the same kind of solution, which value is greater? Molality. So molality is greater than molarity. What is the unit? Mole per kg. Mole per kg. So molality m is equal to 0.55 mole per liter and molality is equal to 0.51 mole per kg. So this is the answer.